Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get free shares on Trading 212 using a promo code. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.trading212.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Trading 212 dashboard, where you can access all the platform's features and manage your investments. Now, once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options and settings for your account. This menu gives you access to important features and account management tools. After the menu opens, you'll need to scroll down through the list of available options. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Use Promo Code. This is the feature that allows you to redeem promotional offers and claim free shares or other bonuses that Trading 212 makes available to users. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new section where you can enter your promotional code. You'll see a designated field specifically for entering the promo code. Click on this field and carefully type in your promo code exactly as it was provided to you. Make sure there are no extra spaces or typos, as the code needs to be entered precisely for it to work. Once you've entered the code, look for the button labeled Apply Code and click on it. This will submit your promo code to the system for validation. The platform will check whether the code is valid and whether you're eligible to use it based on your account status and any terms associated with the promotion. After clicking the Apply Code button, wait just a moment while Trading 212 processes your request. If the code is valid and everything checks out, you'll see a confirmation message pop up on your screen. This message will inform you that you've successfully claimed your free shares. The shares will typically be added to your account, and you'll be able to see them reflected in your portfolio. And that's it. You've now successfully redeemed a promo code on Trading 212 and claimed your free shares, giving you a nice boost to start or grow your investment portfolio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.